wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best blenders for your kitchen. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Cleanblend 2001 has a 3 horsepower motor and a stainless steel enclosed blade assembly that quickly liquefies fruits and vegetables for maximum nutrient or vitamin extraction. It's difficult to store though, as it is very tall. It comes with a virtually unbreakable container and a tamper wand to aid in blending. However, the base tends to rust over time. At number 9, the Jamba appliance's Quiet Shield is, as the name implies, one of the quietest models out there. This is due to the unique blending shield, which is placed over the entire unit when it's in operation. It comes with a full-size container and a single-serve one. It offers infinite speed control, dishwasher-safe components, and a low-profile design. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the powerful Oster B07 offers dual-direction blade technology that automatically moves its 6-point stainless steel blade in reverse in order to prevent jams. But securing the jar to the base can be somewhat difficult. It features a sturdy Bora-class glass container and both high and low pulsing options. However, it does have a tendency to wobble. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders for your kitchen, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Breville Boss To Go is intended for making personal smoothies and shakes that you want to take with you when you head out the door. The 2 included travel cups have smooth lips without any threads to hinder the flow of liquid as you drink. It boasts an integrated cord wrap, a small footprint, and dual serrated blades. Moving up our list to number 6, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic delivers professional quality results thanks to its pre-programmed blending cycles, digital touchpad controls, 2-prong stainless steel blades, and commercial power motor with enough strength to plow through ice cubes. It features a lid that fits very securely, a high-capacity square blending jar, a user guide, and recipes. Halfway up our list at number 5, the KitchenAid KSM150PSER has a soft start feature and an IntelliSpeed motor that senses the contents and adjusts the speed as necessary to ensure everything is perfectly blended. It has the classically styled control board with 5 speed buttons and options for ice or pulse. It can also grind dry ingredients and comes with sleek blue LEDs in the front panel. It's quality made in the USA. At number 4, the Ninja 4-in-1 kitchen system includes both a large and small blending container, so you can make batches for the whole family or just a single smoothie for yourself. It also comes with a food processor attachment and a spiralizer to turn veggies into noodles. It boasts auto and manual boost options and more functionality than other models. It's extremely powerful. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Oster Versa Pro blstvb has 3 pre-programmed settings to make your life easy: smoothies, dips and spreads, and soup, which is nice as it takes all the guesswork out of picking the right speed. Of course, there's also a variable speed dial if you need it. The blades spin at over 200 miles per hour, so it thoroughly blends all ingredients and doesn't leave behind ice chunks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders for your kitchen, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with its high-torque power base and 600-watt motor, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet has no problem pulverizing your fruits, vegetables, and other superfoods into delicious nutrient-packed meals. It's ideal for single-person households that value convenience. It's a super portable design that comes with 3 cups. You can choose from red or grey. And taking the top spot on our list, the Vitamix 7500 offers a high-performance 2.2 horsepower motor with durable stainless steel blades that chop through the toughest of ingredients with ease. Its low-profile design allows it to fit easily under most kitchen cabinets. It creates creamy soups and smoothies and can be used to mix batters and dough as well. It includes a BPA-free 64-ounce container. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders for your kitchen, or simply click beneath this video.